Assalamu alaikum, grade 7th. I am your English teacher with the lecture of Oxford Progressive English and English Grammar. So open your books of English Oxford at page 256. Unit number 10, Achievement. Fiction. Fiction basically is a story. It can be a story that based on imagination, or it can be said that fiction is an imaginative story that cannot exist in reality. The race. Let's read the summary and the background of the story. 15 years old Danny Mangum and his mother had been living a frightening life in London with a violent man from whom they could not escape. Finally, they did succeed in escaping and fled to his grandparents' home so that they could live without fear of violence and eventually find what they both wanted, a better life in what they call the promised land. But one important thing is that when the Danny joined the new school, he has to face racism in his new school because his father was a black man. That is why he became the victim of racist bullying. Let's read the words meaning of this story. Words: Urdu meaning, English meaning. Eventually, आखिरकार, at last, hostile, मुखालिफ, opposed, emerge, जाहिर होना, appear, iota, थोड़ा सा, a bit of, blur, धुंधलापन, haziness, glove, निगलना, swallow fast, shrug, कंधे उचकाना, move the shoulders, flushed, सुरख हो जाना, be excited. Let's read the answer question of the story. Reading for understanding. Page number 260. Reading for understanding. Write down the ordinal numbers in the first paragraph. What do these numbers refer to? Answer. The ordinal numbers are 6th, 5th, 4th, 3rd and 2nd. These numbers refer to the Danish position in the race. Why are the phrases without fear and the promised land repeated throughout the text? Answer. Danny is determined to get the promised land and lives his life without fear. These phrases are the central theme of the story. Question number 3. Explain how Danny feels about the race in paragraph 2. Answer. He was dissatisfied with his performance in the race. Question number 4. Explain the meaning of the metaphor the jigsaw falling apart in paragraph 3. Explain why you think it is or it is not an effective metaphor for describing how Danny feels about his life. Answer. The metaphor is quite appropriate as jigsaw means break into pieces. In the same way, Danny's life will also be scattered if he does not win the race. Question number 5. Explain the meaning of screaming and scoring in paragraph number 3. Answer. They mean that his muscles were under great strain and it was becoming very difficult to breathe. Open page number 261. Vocabulary. To sustain the pace, to maintain the speed. Number 2. The final stage, keeping stride, keep in step. The finishing line, a line where a race ends. A final spurt, a final explosion. The decisive break, crucial effort. The front runners who are in a leading position in a race. By following this video, you can complete your task of English Oxford. Now open your books of English grammar. Open page number 23 of English grammar and composition. letter. Write a letter to your brother advising him to take steps to improve his health. Basically, this is a letter in which you can advise your brother to take part in different sports or different games and take care of his health and go for morning walk. By reading this letter, you can understand the whole letter, and you have to write this letter on your notebooks and learn it. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.